Last night, BJP leader and actress Sonali Fogart died of heart attack in Goa. She was just 42 years of age. Lately, there has been an increase in the number of heart attacks in young people, and this is becoming a cause of concern. Recently, famous comedian Raju Srivastav suffered heart attack while working out in the gym. Before that, famous singer KK had passed away due to heart attack. TV actor Siddharth Shukla and Kannada actor Puneeth Rajkumar have also passed away due to sudden heart attacks. Today, we decode why people at such young age are getting heart attacks so frequently. Earlier, a heart attack in someone under the age of 40 was extremely uncommon. But now, according to statistics, 1 in every 5 heart attack patients are under the age of 40. Another worrisome factor, according to studies, is that, in fact, it is more typical to have a heart attack in your 20s or early 30s. Between 2000 and 2016, the rate of heart attacks at this young age group had climbed by 2% every year. The medical terminology for heart attack is MI, that is myocardial infarction. It happens when one or more areas of the heart muscle don't get enough oxygen and the blood flow to the heart muscle is blocked. When the blood flow to the heart is suddenly blocked due to the formation of plaques, an outcome of fatty deposits including cholesterol, the coronary arteries can narrow down, leading to a heart attack. There are several reasons for incidents of heart attacks being reported more in young people. The prevalence of coronary heart disease in young adults has slowly increased due to smoking, obesity, lack of physical activity, and other reasons that put pressure on the cardiovascular system. Another major reason is the peer pressure of getting good physique. Young people these days do not get any prior heart checkups and they start gymming without a pre-cardiac checkup. They start doing heavy weight training, which increases the thickness of the heart. They also start working out extensively on treadmills as well as CrossFit training. They also begin taking supplements and steroids, which are not good and cause damage to the heart, leading to arrhythmia. Acute MI is a serious condition, and its increasing cases in young adults are warning signs that should not be taken lightly. It is also a wrong perception to believe that only lifestyle choices are a reason for sudden heart attacks. In fact, a large section of the Indian population are also genetically predisposed to these complications, leading to cardiovascular disease. This was all you needed to know about the rise in heart attacks among young population. We hope that you liked this new video. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.